Hey, what's up, guys? I got a $10 thing. See this? I got this. I used my phone. I can buy a ringtone from KSI. OLG baby T. If not you pronounce it, OLG baby. Whatever. So I got this. I already used it. So flip. I don't know. I still have a couple bucks left. Right here. So I got this. And then I bought 2 ringtones and a couple of gems in a game. So here's my first ringtone. Okay, as you all know, ringtones in iPhones are paid. So you can already tell that I paid. So let's look closely at it. Oh, it's too bright. Here we go. And then here's the one that I also bought. So here, listen to it.
EA Sports. It's in the fucking game, bitch.
Best ringtone. So somebody texts me, it's gonna be like
EA Sports.
It's in the fucking game, bitch. It's never gonna get bored. So yeah, it's a short update. Peace.